Happy Saturday. Bitcoin then closed indecisively yesterday. The weekly candle also closed indecisively in the CME, just over 105,000. We'll see what happens on the weekend, but it is the weekend, so we have less liquidity in the market, but it also takes less liquidity to move the market. So I'm not expecting much, to be fair, but we shall see. I'm in a couple of alt trades. You can see those move a little bit better on the weekends recently. I mean, obviously I watch Bitcoin. There's so much positive news at the minute. I think it's sometimes when this happens, everyone's super bullish. We do get a bit of the market doing the opposite way, and there is some large areas or sort of large support areas we'd be targeting if we do get a larger correction below sort of 91,000. So, and that's kind of the high 80s, 70s, even into the 60,000s. On the higher time frame, that would still be a higher low. Sorry, so still bullish overall, but sometimes I get caught up in all the sort of euphoria of everything. So be cautious. Obviously, as trading wise, you're setting stop losses if you are trading. Just to be cautious. So yeah, lots of excitement. Where do you think we're going? Do you think we're going to keep above 100,000 and push on up to an all-time high, or are we going to lose 100,000 in support and head lower? I've been looking at the Bitcoin dominance as well, and a geezer on TikTok, Farkoff, has put me onto the total 2, the altcoin total market cap as well. And they work kind of in conjunction, really. So lots of interesting stuff to do. Keep your eyes on if you're trading, be sensible. We'll have a quick look at the Bitcoin chart as well, and probably look at the dominance chart as well. Right then, quick look at the chart. So as you can see here, indecisive yesterday, been a bit of volatility the day before. We are in this really tight range, 107 to 100,000. To be fair, the range, you probably go from 107 down to 91.5, but I think 100,000 is a really psychological level. We hold above it, I think we'll start to gain momentum. Really for altcoins, if Bitcoin holds above 100,000 and we see Bitcoin dominance dropping, probably seeing some alts run. If we see Bitcoin lose 100,000, I think probably dominance will rise, and alts might have to wait a little while longer. But like I said, even if we do lose 91,000 as support and we head down lower to 85 to 75, down to sort of high 60s, 65, I think that still makes a higher low in the higher time frames, and it's probably healthier long term for that sort of correction, but it's not what everyone wants to hear, obviously. So quick look at Bitcoin dominance. As I said, we'd like, again, slightly bullish yesterday, breaking through breaking above that 58.60. We'd like to see it break back through and head down towards 54.65, but we easily can see it push up to 60 and then reject as well. And then we should start seeing some alts make their moves. What else are you looking at? What's your thoughts? Are we going to see Bitcoin break bullish, bearish? You're kind of sitting on the sidelines. Great comment. Follow, obviously, comment there. Leave me a comment and follow for more. Quick look at ETH as well then. So obviously we are in a couple of trades for ETH in spot and in the leverage trade as well. And as you can see, I think when ETH Bitcoin's looking, well, it's been terrible to be fair, but it looks like it's hit a demand zone now, so we might be able to see a bottom there. And if we do, I think that'll really help ETH move bullish. We'll break out of this sort of descending channel and move up to sort of the 4K mark. Above that, I think we go quickly to 5K, so that's why we're being sensible. But we're ready to hit this trade as well. Are you bullish on ETH? Are you bearish? It's not performed as much as other coins. I think everyone's getting a bit sick of it, but patience pays in this market, and I think it will come good in the end.